New at sunrise this morning, panic over the spread of Ebola is now continuing after the first patient diagnosed with the deadly virus in the United States has died.
And a Dallas nurse has contracted Ebola inside our nation's borders. Airports nationwide are now taking precautions by screening passengers before they board planes.
Our Kerri Corrado talked to local airport representatives about the steps they're taking.
She joins us live now with the details. Kerri, good morning.
Good morning, Bill, Lindsay. These screenings are great, but officials say you can't get rid of the disease completely. So this is the United States way of trying to stop the spread of Ebola in our area. So all morning we have been compiling information. We're on the CDC website. We've checked in with local airlines, and we are going to tell you everything you need to know if you're about to travel or know somebody who is.
The security isn't the only thing airport officials have on their mind. It's the spread of Ebola. Flights are being affected as the fear of this infectious virus heightens across the United States. As for Pittsburgh International Airport,
we're not currently screening for the Ebola virus on passengers coming into the country. And the purpose is that we don't have a high volume of traffic of passengers from those sections of those countries that are impacted.
But they say they are monitoring the situation.
The health department and the CDC have been holding regular conference calls and webinars.
And for the Center County Airport Authority, they haven't made changes to their procedures either. They say mainly because they're a small regional airport. They say they will take action and abide by the government and CDC if something were to happen. The Philadelphia International Airport says there are no direct flights from West Africa, so they are following guidelines from the CDC. Kennedy International in New York, Washington Dulles International, O'Hare International in Chicago, Hartsfield Jackson International in Atlanta, and Newark Liberty International will all have screenings. Any international passengers from the affected areas will be asked questions and could get their temperature taken and even be quarantined. These airports have the most travelers coming from countries hit hardest by this virus.
So again, we are on the CDC website, and they have everything you need to know on Ebola, everything from signs and symptoms to prevention for healthcare workers if you're a nurse or a doctor. So if you want to know this information, we posted this link on our website, WJACTV.com. You can click the As Seen on 6 News tab, and you'll find all this information. Bill, Lindsay, back to you.
All right, Kerri, thanks very much.
Thanks, Kerri.